Hey guys, hope everyone is doing well. This is the video walkthrough for the create a Teespring merch store and link it to your business website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spend 60 seconds talking about what is Teespring, and then I'm going to spend 60 seconds talking about the deliverables for the assignment, so the bottom line, and then I'm going to do the assignment. And I think I'm going to be able to do the assignment inside of 10 minutes. So first of all, what is Teespring? So Teespring is a print-on-demand platform. Zazzle, Shopify, Printify, all offer this service where it is the product never comes to your house. It never, you never deal with inventory. They completely handle it. For our purposes, it's going to be adding the next level of functionality in our card website. So we're going to be creating a product in Teespring, which I'll show you how quickly we can do that, which essentially is you're just going to pick a shirt or a mug or a phone case or whatever you'd like, and you're going to take your logo and have it added to whatever that product is. And we're going to just do a little bit of customization on what the store page will look like. And then we're going to add the link that we get for the store page into our card website. Okay. Now, I'll show you how quickly we're going to do that. Look at the length of this video, and we're going to do all of that inside of this video. So it goes pretty smoothly. That's part of the beauty of Teespring. So I'll click into it. And the other big differentiator between Teespring and other POD, print-on-demand platforms, is that Teespring allows you to create your own. It's not private because it is public, like it's a public link, but it's your own store where you're not a part of a larger marketplace. So Shopify, Amazon, all of them, they offer options. They all do, but many of them do. But the point is that you're also, like, if you're on Amazon, you're also in Amazon's larger marketplace. Whereas this like almost serves like the back end or the product selling mechanism of our website, of our landing page. And now again, for our purposes, it's probably just going to be merchandise to celebrate, promote the brand. Real quick, I'll open card as well because we're going to talk about the two deliverables. Open dashboard. This is the website I in the last video for that assignment had created. And so when I go back here and I look at the deliverables, I'm looking for a link to the updated card website and a link to your new Teespring store. All we're going to do in card is add that link to the store at the very end, and that's going to only take a second or two. Okay. And that's all that is going to be for the card website. And then for the new Teespring store, we have to create the store. So I'm going to go from creating an account all the way to creating a store, a product, and then a store. Okay. And it only takes just a few seconds, or practically seconds. So I'll show you how quick it is. Let's create an account. This is, I think, the fourth or fifth. Oh, wait. I'm going to log out. So this is adding time, but it's okay. Sign out. Added no time at all. Log in. All right. I've burnt through create account. I've burnt through many emails, so I have to use this one. I'm going to do just. That's not a good way to do it. Normally you would like your own domain, right? That was a very early one. Okay. I'm not a robot. Bicycles. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. If you go really fast on that, they think you might still be a robot. Okay. All right, sign up. Because the robots are getting so good that they can sometimes get the CAPTCHAs, which is really interesting. There's a whole reason for why, but we'll talk about that later. So we're going to click the next step. We're now in our dashboard, but we're going to click Create Product. Next up. Okay, and then now, similar to a lot of the things we've been seeing, these are all of our templates for products. So you can see like apparel, t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve t-shirts, outwear, digital, there's stuff in there, home and decor, pets, wall art, drinkable pillow, puzzles. That was cool. You can make a puzzle, like a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, but I'm just gonna go with this. Okay, all right, and then now I'm going to go with this image. Ooh, wait, well, actually, let me show you how I got this image real quick. So this is probably, you guys already have your image because it's your logo that we did before, but in case you don't, I'll show you one more time how we can do like templates and stuff. Add page, and then, design over here, add template, and then I just literally typed in digital tech, right? And I just used one of those and got this, which is good. And then also you can do like, anything. Right? Anything. You get good stuff. You can change it and make it in your own words. Like this is all editable. So anyway, I'm going to share and not copy link, but download PNG. So we just wanted to get the one image, the one PNG. See .png. Very good. PNG is one of the best ones for sharing. Okay, PNG right there. Beautiful. I'm not even going to resize it. I'll pick this. Match is really nice. Little bit of a coincidence, but very, very nice. Okay, you might have to go back and like edit things like in Canva to make it very nice, but okay, and you can see here if we have it at $22.99, we make $7.09 of profit. Let's make it 25 bucks though. That way we're making over $9 a sale. Okay, great. And then also you can add text, but you probably don't need to because you're gonna probably want to do that in Canva. So, but anyways. And then advanced, we do need to click advanced because we want to make sure we have it selected that we don't want it white because then we have it look like that. We want it to be navy. Okay, continue. Okay, and styles. Now we can pick like different styles if we wanted to, right? And different options. But let's just stick with just this one for ease and continue. And now we just need a name. Digital Tech T-shirt. And then if you wear this to class for 10 extra credit points. Okay. All right, and then advanced. Visibility public. Okay, we add to existing store. Okay, which is actually going to be creating this store because we didn't actually do that yet. It's going to create it as we do, and then we can edit, which is going to be the next step, which is really good. Now, launch listing. It is launched live, so it's going to take just a second for that to load, but while it does, okay, so great. Share URL. So we'll look, this is what we've got so far. We have, and you guys will recognize this from like websites, right? We have now the actual product page, but now we're going to add like the store. Okay, because in other words, we might have more than one product, but that's also part of the assignment. Because essentially what you're creating is, if you could also be creating, this could be the full business, right? This could be the full business, but for our purposes, it's just going to be to promote the business. We can think of it that way. Okay, promote the larger business, but also maybe a secondary revenue stream. Think of it that way too. Okay. All right, so so basically at this point we have done part A. Part A is complete. Now we're gonna do part B, which is the store setup, okay? So this is giving me to my store. This is where you might get, so this is what the store looks like currently, okay? But we just need to add two things for the point of the assignment, okay? Well, actually we'll have to name it and everything. But I'm gonna, because of the way that works, you might get, if you get stuck on the store here, what you might need to do is actually go back and click this link again, and then you might have to log in again, but just to get back into your dashboard to here, okay? And now, when I am here, I'm gonna click stores. So first of all, I'll edit this, the FGCU, the digital tech store. Okay, so edit store, digital text store, select image. So, okay, that's just the thing. Okay, so here, the two things we need to add here, one logo up here and a hero banner. Okay, we can see that here, navigation bar, that's the navigation bar, select image. Now another great thing is you can edit, and it's going to go right there, but you can now edit to the background color for that. And let's go with blue. So imagine if whatever your brand color is, and you can actually, you get the hex code from Canva and copy and paste it right here and get the exact color, right? It'd be really good. And then we add their hero. So now we got layout again to go back, and then add the hero banner. Now, the difference between basic and advanced is basic is going to be to add like a just an image, and then advanced is you're going to do text and maybe a buttons and such. So we'll just go with basic for ease again. And this gives us like explore and apparel, right? So, and then footer we might just say again, digital. Oh my goodness. Tech store. Okay. All right. Save. All right. All right. Great. So now, if I go back to stores. All right. So now, right here, actually at this point, right here, now we're done with this part of the assignment. It's not that one. This one. We have that is our URL. So we're going to put this URL. Excuse me. This one. I clicked here, I'm at stores, digital tech store. This URL is going to be for in the website URL slot, okay? All right, beautiful. So, and it takes us right to it, very nice. Let's look at it around, and again, we might, we'd edit it later. What I would probably do is go back into Canva and bring that down and remove that text, right? That would do it. But there it is, nice on here. But let's now go to card. So that is that part. That's that part, okay? That's this part. Very nice. Let's go now to card. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this button and re-add it just to show what we're going to do. So we're going to go over here to add a button, add an element, add a button. Okay, button, label. I'll do check out our merch. Check out, I like it all capital. Yeah. And then I'm going to do arrow. Okay. Now, super simple. I go back here once more. Oh, not here, not here. Here. Copy. Digital text store. Now, right, we got button, label, for the button, icon for the button, right arrow, and then Command V, pasting it out there. Okay, done. Okay, I'm going to move this up. Okay, move it up one more. There we go. Done. Now we must do this once more, which is what we had to do from the assignment last week. Okay, view site. Beautiful. And now now that we've done that, now we can click here and we're at our Teespring store. Very nice. Okay. All right. So now for this part of the assignment, make sure you do not click this one. This is no good to anybody but you. We have to click back, and this is the site we want, right? Here, remember from last week, we must always do publish changes, publishing, and then we can either copy this, or we can click in here, view site, and copy this. Either way, we copy and we go, and then now link to your updated account card website in comments, okay? And what I'm looking for is, all I'm looking for is the ability to be able to click in, and that's not it, this is it. I would like to, all I need to be able to do is see a button that says check out our merch, and then click, and then see the store. In here, just see the logo and the hero banner and the product. Okay, and also right away, see how quickly that was, and you can order it and buy it, check out, and get paid, and then you set up the payment later. And you would get it in your account, and you'd be able to set up how it is you're going to withdraw it later. You can set up promo codes, and with promo codes, you can test different advertisements. You know, when they do such and such 1, such and such 2. For like FGCU 1, FGCU 2 for a promo code, that's like testing which ad is performing better, right? It's another really great way for like promo codes. It's always really beautiful. All right, so subtotal $24.99. All right, and just like any other checkout, you got to put in your name and your card and your shipping address. And yeah, that's the assignment. Okay, wonderful. All right, if you have any questions at all, be sure to send me an email, okay? All right, thanks, guys. Just wanted to add one quick point on Teespring. When we're at this point and we are selling them, we can click here to analytics, or say the listings first, digital tech t-shirt, and we can see units sold, and this is where we can add and manage our listings, and then stores, then of course our stores, you can have more than one store, but then analytics, right, and we can see all of this here. So very great.